Hey guys, this is Philip Shadler, a local real estate agent in Los Angeles. And last week, by the way, we closed our $1 million listing in Santa Monica, which is very exciting. And today we're going to look at a $10 million teardown property in Beverly Hills. And the situation with that property is that a famous architect by the name of Robert Earl designed the place in the early 60s. And because it was designed by a famous architect, it is not allowed to take the structure down completely, even though in real estate terms we call it a teardown. But it is actually, it can be remodeled, but the basic bones of the structure cannot be removed, which might be a challenge for the new owner. However, let's have a look and see what a $10 million teardown looks like in Beverly Hills. So you have here in 365 Trousdale, and this is the property that is going to be most likely torn down, but it's difficult to tear down because it was designed by a master architect. So this is the place here in Beverly Hills. It's a gorgeous property, amazing views to the city. There's an interesting little bathroom here. Very Asian influenced.
I love these little
The statues.
there.
Yeah.
It's an interesting entrance with the mirror in the back.
Yeah.
Just like an illusion. Endless illusion.
It's interesting, yeah, because when you walk in, you see the mirror.
You see the mirror and then
Yes.
you kind of like...
Kitchen here. Yeah, it's definitely needs updating. It is outdated. It's beautiful though, in an interesting way. Doors, look at that. Doors between the lead.
Interesting.
Secret
To the
doors.
secret room,
Pool outside here. It's beautiful. And the view is amazing.
huh? It was amazing.
That's an amazing view.
Yeah. Stunning, huh?
So we're in beautiful Beverly Hills here. It is dilapidated, it is old, looks like 1950s style. Views are amazing. Very beautiful though. And lots of great properties up here to see. So we're still here in Beverly Hills, and look at this beautiful view at 365 Trousdale, right here. And with me here I have Ilona Morris Grigolite, who is our new realtor. She passed the exam 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago?
About 2 weeks ago, yes.
Congratulations on that one.
Thank you.
You worked hard for that one. You deserved it. Look at the beautiful view here. It's amazing. Has a lot of potential. It has a lot of potential. You know, it's definitely outdated. This is Philip Shadler from Beverly Hills here with EXP Realty, looking at some beautiful properties. It's a great day.